So you might be wondering how to exactly update your Toyota software. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So first things first is you want to check what type of system your Toyota uses. Now you want to, or basically you want to understand here that Toyota vehicles use either Entune, Toyota Audio Multimedia, or older non-Entune radios. Now you want to go to your settings here, go to system, and then choose about or software version. Now once you know your system type here, the update options become clear. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to connect your Toyota to Wi-Fi. Now, most newer Toyotas allow software updates directly over Wi-Fi, so you just need to go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi, then choose Add Network, and add your home Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. And a stable connection is important here, or the update won't download. Now, from then on, you want to check for available software updates. Now, with Wi Fi connected, go to Settings, then Software Update, then check for Update. Now, if an update is available, the system will show you a message here like Update Ready to Install or follow prompts and keep the engine running until it finishes. Now, if your model has built-in navigation, map updates are separate. So you want to go to Menu, Setup, Navigation, then Map Update. Now, some models require downloading the update to a USB drive from Toyota's Map Update website before installing it in a new car. Now, also for vehicles that still use Intune, install the Toyota app on your phone, sign in, pair your car, and the app will push compatible updates when needed. It also lets you check if you're running the latest version. And also after installing or installation is complete, restart the system by turning the car off, opening the driver's door, waiting for 10 to 15 seconds here, and turning the car back on. Now this refreshes the system and applies the new features properly. And also some updates, especially older Toyota models or major firmware patches, can only be installed by the dealership. So if your Toyota won't update, freezes, or show software update failed, a technician can load the update using Toyota's diagnostic tools. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.